Hi guys, welcome you to the Indian Traditional Foods. Indian Traditional Food is our efforts to bringing all traditional Indian delicacies on global platters in the most innovative ways. Our first innovation in this series was Garam Kadai, the hot pot, where we give the freedom to the customer wherever he is. Either he is on mountain, either he is in like the doing the desert safari, either he is trekking, either he is doing picnics, and even he is like the partying in with his like the friends in the backyards. We serve the traditional Indian foods on a 125-degree temperature without any external energy source. That's how we start our innovations. Then our second innovation which we present in the market was the My Curry 123, where we give everybody to become a chef. We give the chance to everybody to become a chef. And our tagline is Maybe Chef. Because like that's we make the all the like the Indian delicacies cooking so easy that like anybody can cook, and that's why like our punchline is Maybe Chef. Or some of the recent innovations is like that where we launched the brand Gujuban. Gujuban is a brand where again we are bringing the traditional Gujarati recipes for you, which you had left while moving out of Gujarat. So one of that is like the which is every Gujarati's most popular 7 flavor pani puri. Whenever we reach to Gujarat, the people of Gujarat or NRGs like the non-resident Gujaratis, they go to their favorite food joints and they take the 7 flavor pani puri. It's very popular in Gujarat. So we understand this and we bring the same taste of that. Either you can say like the Nehru Nagar, either you can say the Sattajat Charasta, either you can say the Manak Chowk. We study each and every taste, and then finally we bring we bring Gujuban 7 flavor pani puri. Then one of like the more innovation, one more innovation which we did that is Makhna Bhed. So makhna is available in the various format right now, but we bring this in the bhel format, where we have a like makhna, we have a snacks, we have all the chutneys. What you have to do, you have to all just mix it and eat it. Definitely you will love it, enjoy it, and it's healthy too. Then innovations in the Gujuban series, we have like a Gujuban ready-made pani puri pani. When we are making a pani puri pani with the like powders which are available in the market or the pastes which are available in the market, normally what happens like sometimes we add more water or less water and then finally end up with the taste which we don't like. So we understand that and we bring the pani puri pani. In pani puri pani we have 3 flavors, that is a spicy, sweet and spicy. So what all you have to do, take your favorite pani puri and put the Gujuban pani puri pani and eat it. You need not to do anything else. So these are the innovations, and latest innovation is a pasta bhel, where we bring the macaroni and chutneys of that. So you have to just put the hot water and the macaroni will get boiled in that, and then you have to mix with the chutneys and snacks which we are giving in the cup. That like you have to enjoy you could enjoy Italian pasta in bhel style. So will we keep surprising the market with all our innovations? There are a lot of things in under our pipelines which we are coming in the next 1 year. And ITF give the promise that we will be keep serving you in the same style. In the foods, brand comes and goes, packaging comes and goes, technology comes and goes, people comes and goes. Only thing which remain is a taste. So we take care the most the taste. We take care most the qualities. We take care most the consistencies. That's how we build up the ITF in last 1 year. And it become the company who bring most innovative products. I think we bring almost together more than 40 items in a 1 year times on the global markets. We need your supports, we need your blessings to keep growing like that and bringing your favorite foods from India to your kitchen in a most innovative way. That's how our effort is. Welcome to the ITF. Please join us on Connect, and please also join us on Indus 2022, which is going to be huge and large season this time, because as far as I know, many peoples coming from across the world, and TPCI is also putting their all best efforts to make this exhibition as large as global exhibitions. Thank you. Don't forget to join us on Connect on ITF. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
ITFmart.com, परदेस में लाए देश।